My name.
Take your time.
We can do bloopers too.
That's right.
No
It's
problem.
your name. Take your time.
Yes.
Okay guys, today I'm going for a foot massage here in Pratamnak Soi 5 and I will go into this shop behind me here and have a 1 hour foot massage. 1 hour is 200 bahts. Let's go inside. Jang?
Yeah.
Not Jan?
Jang. 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 You can call
Okay.
me Jang. Yeah.
Okay, okay.
ต้องอันนี้พุ่งไว้ Yes man.
YouTube star.
Yes man.
Yeah. You'll have all the boys come see you when they come to Thailand.
Welcome to Thailand.
Welcome, mister.
Come to enjoy your time for massage.
So I get 1 hour for 200 baht, right?
Yes.
Okay. You put on tiger balm?
Yeah.
Balm? Okay. And for how long did you do this?
7 years when I learned massage.
7 years?
Yes.
Oh my god. You're a professional, huh?
Yeah, I hope so.
Okay. And by the way, the name of the shop is this?
Yeah. Shy tone.
Shai Tong Massage?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
You see the other superstar here?
Yeah.
Yeah. Very good. I got foot massage from her too. What is your name? Boom? Boom. Okay. Now I hope you all will get a little bit known from the foot massage here, yeah? So now it's about noon, right? And when do you open? 10 o'clock in the morning?
Yeah. We start from the 11 o'clock.
Ah, you start 11 o'clock, yeah. And you close
10 p.m.
10 p.m. in the night time, right?
Time.
Yeah. That's a lot of hours, huh? Of work. But now it's a low season, so in the low season, how many customers you can have in one day?
One day, every day is not same, different. Some day get 4, some day 3. Yeah.
Okay. So, where are you from in Thailand?
I'm from Yasothon, small city.
Yeah?
Isan, yeah.
Isan, huh? Okay. Is that where you are educated for massage or what?
Yes.
Yeah.
ต้องเก่งพุ่งไว้
And I will not tell the viewers where you learned English, right?
I learn talk with customer.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. I learned this shop to know about 1 year ago when I went here, and it was raining one evening, and I went into this shop, and actually they were closing, but then they let me in and give me a foot massage. So that's one of my favorite shops in Pattaya area. After a foot massage, you will always be relaxed.
If you need time for relax, you can come to Chai Tong massage. For relax time, 1 hour for foot massage. We have foot massage, oil massage, and aroma.
Oh.
Yeah. You can, and it's for relax time. Yes. You can try one time. When you come to Thailand, you can try Thai massage or foot massage. Because it's Thailand #1 for massage. Welcome.
So you use this wooden stick?
Yes.
Yeah. Why is that?
Because like อย่างวะ I don't know about English, you know.
Okay.
I speak English is not well, but now I want to learn more. When you use stick, you know, everything in the like a body here in your face, this here.
Yeah, I think it's called like zone therapy or something
Yeah.
like that. And you know, it hurts when you do it, but
But feeling good.
it is, yeah, I'm feeling very good after that. So actually, I don't mind about using the wooden stick when I get the foot massage.
Because when you use this one like a eye, bend, your stomach and anything.
Okay.
When we put and waiting just only 10, 1 to 3 in the and after you finish it's better. After feeling good. Like that.
Trying to make me leave. I don't know why.
No.
Be there at 1 p.m.
Okay. Oh, you want to be there 1 p.m. right?
Yeah, that's right on time.
I finish. The time is what's it?
But I know I feel better after. Yeah.
Okay. Do you want more?
Told you it was okay.
Okay.
Thank you, boo.
จะตีมันเจอถีบเลยถ้าจะเจอรุ่นนี้ไม่ไหวค่ะไม่เอาปล่อยกูบามาหา
So, what about kids? Do you have kids?
Yeah, I have 2 sons. 12 year and 10 year.
12 and 10 years old, yeah? 2 sons.
Yeah.
Okay, and where do they stay?
Him stay my home Yesatton. Stay with my own sister. She take care of him.
Okay,
Yeah.
good.
Yeah.
And when you work here, do you sometimes have day off?
Yeah, we have the 10 day. We get 1 day off. Yeah.
Okay, 10 days work and 1 day off.
Yeah.
Okay. So what's your name?
Wawa.
And you are the owner of this shop?
Yes.
Yeah. For how many years you have this shop?
2 year.
3 years.
2.
2 years.
Yeah.
Okay. And how many staff you have here?
Sometimes 7, sometimes 8.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, it depends. People stop and people start all the
Yes.
time. Yeah.
Yes. Yes. Sometimes go back country is mama sick. Sometimes go with boyfriend come take care
Okay.
boyfriend something like that.
Okay. Okay. And you have you do foot massage, oil massage, aloe vera massage. Is there more kind of massage?
Scrub.
Oh,
Only foot
scrub.
foot scrub.
Yeah.
And อะไรวะ aloe baby yes and foot scrub very cute and อะไรนะ
Yeah,
Aloe vera.
pedicure, aloe
Aloe
vera.
vera,
Yeah,
yes.
yeah.
aroma Thai
So-
massage.
So these chairs is only for foot massage, right?
Yes.
And you have some chairs in the back, no, some beds in the back for
Oil massage.
oil massage, yeah?
Yeah.
Is that also used for aloe vera massage?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. And Thai massage, of
Yeah.
course.
And scrub.
Yeah,
Body scrub.
okay.
Yes.
So you scrub the body.
Yeah.
Okay.
You want?
No? Oh my god. Yes, yes. Okay.
ขอบคุณครับ
So I get the shoulder massage now.
We do
Yeah.
like a head and shoulder.
Head and shoulder.
Can slowly
Boxing.
Thai boxing.
Oi, oi, oi.
โอเคค่ะ
Thank you so much. Okay.
ขอบคุณค่ะ Welcome to Thai Thai massage. I hope you come back again and enjoy your holiday. Welcome to Thailand. ขอบคุณค่ะ Thank you. Bye bye.
So I got my foot massage here in Pratamnak with the very nice ladies in here in this shop. So come here and try a foot massage or oil massage or whatever kind of massage you want. They can do everything. So thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe my channel Jan Travel Thailand. I will see you in my next video. Take care. Bye bye.